Hello and welcome to my channel. It's our very first episode, and today we will be making gluten-free waffles with my special caramelized apples. But before we get started, you need to make sure that there is a grown-up somewhere in the kitchen making sure that no one gets hurt. Okay, so for the waffles, we're going to need 1 3/4 cups of gluten-free flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 beaten eggs. Okay, so we are going to add our dry ingredients in first. Okay, so next we are going to add in our wet ingredients. So when you're done whisking, let it rest for 10 minutes. So for the caramelized apples, we will need 1/4 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3 to 4 diced apples. Okay, so this is where you're gonna need help from a grown-up. Okay, so first we are going to add the butter. After that, next we are going to add the sugar. I'm using a silicone spatula, so make sure yours is not plastic. And then the apples. And last but not least, the cinnamon. Now we'll cover that up, remove it from the heat, and get to the waffles. Okay, so now it's time to add the batter into the waffle machine. So for the waffles, I'm using 1/3 cup of batter per waffle. The waffle maker is going to let out steam while the waffles cook. Once the steam dies down, you can check on them. It takes around 5 minutes. Now it's time for the caramelized apples. And don't forget the best part, the caramel sauce. Okay, so now we're gonna put a little bit of icing sugar on. Okay, now for the best part, the taste test. Oh my god. I need more apples. If you liked this video, then support me by smashing that subscribe button and hitting that like button. Thumbs up. Whee!